Hello.
Hello, sir.
So, welcome to Study Adda. Today we will have the feedback of the mathematics paper, right? You all have to share your reviews how the paper was. So, firstly, I would like to introduce Aman. Aman, what was the quality of paper? What is the label of paper you attempted?
Sir, the paper was not too tough, but it was lengthy.
It was lengthy. That means you are having the time management issues, right, in solving the questions. So, was the paper predicted from your coaching?
Yes, sir. I think more than half of the question paper was same.
So, what are the quality of MCQ portion?
Sir, MCQ. Sir, most of the MCQ was easy, but some was the tricky and complicated.
Okay, nice. So, maximum question you have attempted. The number of question, how much you have attempted?
Sir, I have attempted all the questions.
Okay, right. So, that means you don't have the fear regarding the question.
No, sir, no fear.
Okay. Now, Abhiraj, what's your view for the paper of mathematics? You are still having the paper with you.
Sir, it is quite easy. From my side, it will be easy to moderate. I will put in the correct.
Okay, yesterday we have discussed that it will be easy to moderate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What are the label of question? That means what questions we have predicted for the examination that has been seen in the paper or not?
Sir, I think above 60 marks paper was predicted. And
Okay.
Those questions you have told us to mark is important. Sir, they mostly come in the exam and they came.
Okay, nice. So, is there any benefit of attending the study at the classes?
Definitely. I predict
What is your review for the class?
10 out of 9.
Okay. Why 9?
So, 1 mark I have cut it just because of locality and all that.
Okay, that means you want a little more advancement
Yeah.
in the institute, right? Hello, Shwab. What is your prediction regarding that?
Sir, the paper is very too easy.
Okay, so you have attended all the questions?
Yes, sir. I have.
And previously you have given 2 papers. What was the criteria of the paper that you are having the confidence in solving the ICSE board examination papers?
Sir, I am very confidently solve the paper and I attempt all the questions.
Okay, nice. So, do you think that upcoming examination will make you score more in ICSE board exam?
Definitely, sir.
Okay, all the best. Now, Shahbaz, what about you?
Sir, the paper is quite easy, but it was lengthy.
It was lengthy. That means solving portion was lengthy. In section B or section A?
So section
Section B, right. So, the topics which we have discussed that came in the question paper, right? So, how much you have attempted?
So I have attempted all the questions, and I think I will score approximately.
Very good. That's nice. What about you, Akshat? Just now we have discussed the questions and you have marked most of them correctly.
Yes, sir.
So, how you are feeling right now?
Sir, I am feeling confidence.
You are having the confidence to get a good result, right? So, how much questions you have attempted?
Sir, I attempted all questions.
Okay.
And, also,
So, we can assume for a good result, right?
yes, sir.
What is the next exam?
Sir, Hindi.
Hindi. So, here, how many subjects you used to study here in institute? And all the subject you are having a good remark or anything lacks here? Syllabus was completed timely?
Yes, sir.
Queries? Doubt sessions? Large number of queries has attended, no? So, only 1 year the remark was good.
Yes, sir.
Will you suggest this for any other students?
Yes, sir.
For
Definitely.
real, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, we will meet soon.
For their better future, they can
Definitely. So, very soon we will meet again with a new remark for Hindi paper, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Hello Anaksh, so welcome to your class. आज का पेपर कैसा था तुम्हारा?
Sir, it was good.
इट वॉज गुड. तो क्या क्वेश्चन जो प्रिडिक्टेड थे आए थे पेपर में? अटेम्प्ट कर लिए सारे? इजी था या टफ था? इजी था. लेंदी था? नहीं, कर लिया. तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस अभी तक का? 3 पेपर आप दे चुके हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम का. कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आपका? हाँ, अच्छा रहा. कुछ फ़ायदा है यहाँ पढ़ने से? प्रॉफिट है? क्या प्रॉफिट है? 2 पॉइंट में बताएंगे. सो क्या एक्सपीरियंस है तुम्हारा? डिस्क्राइब करो.
सर मतलब जो आपने बताया था इम्पोर्टेंट, जैसे कि तो क्या कहते हैं आपने हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस वगैरह की पढ़ लेना उसमें का वो उसमें का मतलब आया था उसमें
हाँ।
मतलब इतना नहीं क्वेश्चन और भी बहुत से क्वेश्चन थे तो उसी जैसे ही आए थे।
उसी टाइप के थे, तो आपने कर लिया। अगला पेपर कौन सा है? हिंदी के लिए टिप्स आपको मिल गए, अच्छा करेंगे। सो होपफुली सबने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है ना। सो वी विल गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट। सो हियर प्रांजल इज ऑल्सो हियर। प्रांजल, आपका क्या फीडबैक है कोचिंग के लिए? आपका ये साल भर का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
It was a very good experience. I have got many great memories here.
Okay.
I would like to thank Niklesh sir for teaching me of and preparing me from class 11, and I think I am ready for it.
ओके, नाइस। अनामिका, तुम्हारा पेपर कैसा हो बेटे? सो टुडे योर इंग्लिश पेपर वॉज देयर ना? क्वेश्चंस आए थे? कर लिए सारे? चलो, नाउ सी यू ऑल अगेन।